So lately I've been having some blemishes, some redness in my face, so I'm here to share with you my nighttime routine.
I love Pavani Ayurveda skincare and wellness company. I start with the incredible clarifying cleanser and mask made of French green clay, neem, turmeric, Ayurvedic healing ingredients to remove dirt, impurities, and bacteria. I combine the dry mask with a few drops of rose water. I find this cleanser very gentle on my sensitive combination skin, and it really has reduced my blemishes. You can use this as a daily cleanser, AM, PM, and also as a mask once a week. This is such a great detoxifying mask. Then I rinse my face and tap, 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 my face dry. I start applying step number 2, clarifying toner, made of neem, rose, tea tree, and other natural ingredients. Step number 3, the clarifying serum with a few drops of rose water. This has black cumin, seed oil, frankincense, neem oil, just absolutely amazing. I apply this step with a lymphatic drainage massage that I learned from Catarina Amado, a holistic esthetician. And my face feels so drenched in love. She loves me. She feels balanced.